rationalization of surd. We'll have an exercise and it says 10 over surd 5. In surd, we rationalize when the denominator in a fraction is a surd. Okay, here we'll have 10 as the numerator and 5 as the denominator. So because the denominator is a surd, we'll have to rationalize. And what does rationalizing or rationalization simply imply? Simply implies multiplying both the numerator by the surd and the denominator by same surd. By the same surd we have here, because if you check this out, reading some ways, surd 5 over surd 5 is just 1, so it can cancel out to give you 1. So we are not actually changing anything here, so there is no difference, but that will have some kind of effect here. So let's do that. 10 multiplied by surd 5 gives us 10 surd 5. So a number and a surd multiplied gives us same, it just come together. But here surd 5 multiplied by surd 5 is 5. Okay, I think this is a good way to think about this. Let's have surd 2 multiplied by surd 2. Same surd, right? Multiplying themselves. The answer to this is 2. But before we just say 2, let's prove this. Now watch, surd 2 multiplied by surd 2 is surd 4, right? Because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and then you just have the surd. But then what's the square root of 4? Is 2. So instead of us going through this process of multiplying and figuring this out, let's just know that whenever you have same surd multiply, the answer is the single number without a surd. So because of that, surd 7 multiplied by surd 7 is simply 7. Let's not think about that too much. Okay, back to what we have. So from here we can actually see that 5 here is 1 and 5 here is 2. So we are ending with 2 surd 5. Now the aim of this is to make sure that we don't have a surd on the denominator. Don't know if you get, so we must take it up, and we do that by rationalizing. Let's go to another example. Okay, so for this we have 3 over surd 6. Okay, so 3 over surd 6. Rationalize, we'll have surd 6 over surd 6 here. So let's multiply. 3 multiplied surd 6 is 3 surd 6 all over 6, right? So this is 1 and this is 2. At the end of the day we are left with 6. Okay, surd 6 over 2, and you can't further divide, so that's your final answer. Now what are we doing here? We are making sure we don't have a surd, that's a radical, on the denominator. So by doing that, just rationalize, and that's very simple. Okay, you have some tasks to try out on your own. This video is brought to you by Passion Academic World. Here's our official WhatsApp contact, and here is our email address. Thank you so much. Do well to like, comment, share.